Welcome back to my channel. I can provide a detailed guide for boosting sales with Shopify, including SEO and marketing strategies. Here's a step-by-step plan. 1. Setting up your Shopify store. Choose a catchy domain name that reflects your brand. Select a visually appealing and user-friendly Shopify theme. Customize your stores, designed to align with your brand identity. Set up essential pages like Home, About Us, Contact, and Policies. Step 2. Optimizing your product page. Write compelling product descriptions that highlight benefits and features. Use high-quality images and videos to showcase your products. Implement customer reviews and ratings to build trust. Optimize product titles and meta descriptions for search engines. Step 3. Implementing SEO strategy. Second, keyword research to identify relevant search terms for your niche. Optimize your website's structure, including URLs, headings, and internal linking. Create valuable content, such as blog posts, guides, and tutorials related to your products. Build backlinks from reputable websites in your industry to improve your site's authority. Step 4. Leveraging social media marketing. Identify the social media platforms where your target audience spends their time. Create engaging content tailored to each platform, including images, videos, and captions. Run targeted advertising campaigns to reach potential customers. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages promptly. Step 5. Email marketing campaigns. Build an email list by offering incentives like discounts or freebies. Segment your email list based on demographics, interests, and purchase history. Create personalized email campaigns with relevant product recommendations and offers. Monitor email performance metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. Step 6. Implementing conversion rate optimization (CRO) tactics. Use A or B testing to experiment with different website elements like button colors, CTAs, and page layouts. Optimize your checkout process to reduce cart abandonment rates. Offer multiple payment options to accommodate different customer preferences. Use exit intent pop-ups to capture leads or offer discounts before visitors leave your site. Step 7. Identify areas of improvement based on performance, data, and customer feedback. Continuously test and refine your marketing strategies to maximize results. Stay updated on industry trends and adapt your approach accordingly. By following these steps and consistently optimizing your Shopify store and marketing efforts, you can effectively boost sales and grow your business. I can give you key points to expand upon. Keyword research. Start by researching relevant keywords for your products. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush to identify high-volume keywords with moderate competition. On-page optimization. Optimize your product titles, descriptions, and meta tags with your chosen keywords. Optimize your product titles, descriptions, and meta tags with your chosen keywords. Ensure they are natural and informative, appealing both to search engines and potential customers. Site structure and navigation. Organize your site in a logical manner with clear navigation. This helps both users and search engines find products easily. Utilize categories, collections, and tags effectively. Mobile optimization. With more users browsing on mobile devices, ensure your Shopify store is optimized for mobile. Google also prioritizes mobile-friendly sites in search results, page speed optimization. Improve your site's loading speed to enhance user experience and SEO. Compress images. Use a content delivery network CDN and minimize HTTP requests. Content marketing. Create high-quality content related to your products, such as blog posts, tutorials, or guides. This not only provides value to your audience, but also attracts organic traffic and backlinks. Backlink building. Acquire high-quality backlinks from reputable websites in your industry. This can be achieved through guest posting, influencer collaborations, or partnerships. Social media integration. Integrate social media platforms with your Shopify store to increase brand visibility and drive traffic. Engage with your audience on social channels and encourage sharing. Schema markup. Implement schema markup to provide search engines with more information about your products. This can enhance your visibility in rich snippets and other search features. Monitor and analyze. Regularly monitor your SEO performance using tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console. Regularly monitor your SEO performance using tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console. Analyze key metrics such as traffic, rankings, and conversions to identify areas for improvement. By implementing these strategies effectively, you can enhance your Shopify store's SEO and ultimately drive more traffic and sales. Thanks for watching.